What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today I have Lather Bros Party Animal. Really nice summery fresh. Top notes are fresh cotton, something I can't pronounce, cardamom, bergamot. The mid is lavender, orange blossom, cinnamon, cumin. The base is sandalwood, vanilla, cedar, tonka bean, amber, and cashmere. It's such a drier sheet, fresh scent. If I wouldn't known all that was in there, probably wouldn't have picked it up, but I can pick up some cashmere off the puck to my nose, and definitely that cotton, fresh cotton. So very nice scent. Load here with face lather. Everybody doing all right? Hope so. I'm all right. Can't complain. If you haven't noticed, I have taken my goatee off, which was a pain in the ass off camera, and I knew it was gonna be, so I just didn't film it. Sorry. I took it off with the Dark Stag Chevette that I've shown in previous video. A couple videos, I think. I'm not sure how many I should do. Very nice soap here. Lather Bros have stepped their game up, in my opinion, with their containers. Their soaps have always been awesome, in my opinion. I enjoy their scents. Their base is good. There's nothing, I can't complain. They're a company out of Miami, Florida, I believe. I'm not sure if it's Miami, but it's definitely Florida. Wow, that feels nice to have lather on my chin, or a brush on my chin, actually. Haven't had it on my chin for a long time. Long time, months, probably a year. I'm going to be using the carved Christopher Bradley in brass on the D plate. This is a DS Cosmetics brush that I got can't remember where I got this or not, but it is broken in very nicely. All right. Yes, I have a chin. I forgot I had a chin, actually. Anyway, Satara Platinum, first use. D-plate, Carl Christopher Bradley in brass. Let's go, first pass. This is a wide body top cap on this razor, which I'm really glad they made, because the overhang was what was keeping me from buying it when it first come out. Amazing scent on the soap, awesome performance. Lather Bros, definitely in my top 3 for artisans, in my opinion. For me, when it comes down to unique scents and customer service and labels, highly recommend it. Unique scents. They don't put out a scent every 2 days. Which, that's, in my opinion, that's why they have a more unique scents when they come out. Because they don't put one out every other day. Every week, whatever. Pretty sure this is a tallow base. Yep. Had to make sure. But yeah. Pass numero dos. Might stay clean shaven for a while. This is nice. I'm gonna enjoy it. I also love the knurling on these carve razors. Doesn't matter how slick my hand is, you'll always be able to grip this. For me, anyway. Cross. Growth. Boar hair. Get that out of here. I think I had 4 days growth, something like that. I got a micro weeper from the Dark Stag about right here. I was cutting that mange off my chin, but it wasn't nothing that wouldn't stop bleeding. I didn't even have to put anything on it except aftershave, so I call that a weeper. Boar hair. That boar hair, that boar knot sheds terribly. But it's soft and fairly cheap. It was like $15 or less. Damn it, boar hair in the mouth. Owned it. Final pass. The scent strength on this is right around a 7.5, something like that. Does not irritate my skin. Oops. T-plate's pretty aggressive, especially on a bare face. So blemish there. Cut the blemish open. Anyway, that'll do it for me. Rinse. Shit. That's how you do a rinse on camera. Never seen anybody do that. But anyway, that's how you do that. And the Mashing Splash, you see by the thumbnail, which is amazing, as well as the soap. It's alcohol based. 2, 3, 4, 5. Not bad. Still stings, but it's not that freaking horrible, horrible, horrible burn when you let it breathe for a few seconds. So, get a little more of that. It's nice. Right. Nice little frosted bottle there. Where's my, are you serious? Here it is. A little decant here from room 1015. It's called Yesterday. It's geranium, lavender, cardamom, and apple. Awesome, awesome scent. Awesome. Pick up the lavender and the apple and geranium. Cardamom's about last, but oh man, that's an awesome, awesome, awesome parfum there. That'll do it for me, guys. Thanks for tuning in and viewing. I appreciate all of you. If it's your first time here, consider like, sharing, and subscribing to this video. Until next time, to all my subscribers and first time watchers,